Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reverse a specific part of a video in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to reverse a part of this video. For instance, I'm going to reverse this middle part. So I'm going to place this parameter right here and I'm going to split it. Okay, and I'm going to split it right here as well. Click on the split icon and I'm going to reverse this part only. We can tap on the clip and then we're going to click on this reverse icon. Okay, just tap on reverse and then the part of the video will be reversed. Now it's done and I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to reverse a part of a video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.